This video is to introduce the OneBoard in Genesis. To access it, you click on the Start button here and would go to Load Boards, select OneBoard from the list. When this opens up, I would maximize your view. The purpose of the OneBoard was to create a board or portlet that does not hide any loads based on their activities. It is activity neutral, so it doesn't really matter what activities you may have, they will appear regardless. You can see as you create a load, all the activities are visible here. You can pick and choose to do these in whatever order makes best sense. At no point will doing these activities or not doing the activities create a problem where you couldn't find this load in OneBoard. It's also different in the way that we open up these bars. We've removed a couple of bars, and the details bar you can see will open up and expand when you view a record. As an example, if I look at the fourth record down here, you can see in the details bar I've already assigned the customer and carrier rate. Also see in the activities, the only activities I've got remaining here are dispatch and accounting. If I want to see all the other activities, I can. You can see that I've already completed book and assigned carrier, customer rate, send rate confirmation, etc. The report formats will become much more important, and we'll visit that in a later video, but you're not limited to what you can pull, so you want to make sure you don't pull more than actually makes sense to view at any given time. You can still access the other boards. Load boards will be available, the active, working, and historical, just as they always have. You can use them side by side. The OneBoard is just one place that you can accomplish everything you need to do. Another example of a change would be the references that are visible in the OneBoard have been limited to try to make sense of not showing references that may not be necessary. If I were to view this same load in the active board as an example, key in the load number and look at the references here, you'll see that there are a lot more references displayed, and some of which we're just not making use of. The control date, the order number that appears. If we find we need to add other references to the OneBoard view, we can certainly do that. Beyond that, that concludes the OneBoard presentation.